Hey, what's up you guys? We have another mukbang today, but today it's a little bit different. She's having Chipotle and I'm having Chick-fil-A. 10 minutes of us just doing that.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Tea.
Not sponsored.
Cherry ice Coke. What's a Chick-fil-A sauce? I've never had it. I saw it there.
You're gonna have to try it. I can't really explain it. I feel like you're not gonna like it.
Alright, but you know, I'll give it a shot.
Yes.
Alright. Alright. It's like a watered. Ew, I don't know what my mouth is.
It's like a water.
It's like a watered down barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
A sweet barbecue sauce. Very sweet. Hi, welcome to Food Network.
My food's cold.
Already?
Already. I'm suing.
Ooh.
What did it have? Chick-fil-A.
Chipotle. Telephone with you, Alex, Robert, Jay, and that one kid from Deadpool.
The thick lip.
Thick lip.
Yes.
I'm screaming.
That's who he is.
The thick lip. Ooh, thick lip.
That would be so funny.
That's you.
We don't even have to make it hard. It would just be like chair. No, we would mess it up.
That'd be great.
With his list.
Who's listening?
I hope you're watching this, Alex.
Who's hot and who's not?
Who's hot and who's not? Smash.
Smash or pass. We're gonna be playing
pass.
Smash or Pass.
Okay. Let's start off with a category.
Okay. Okay, sister.
Let's start off with singers. I feel talking about last night. You're like,
Hey, Post Malone.
yeah.
Okay, so Post Malone came here what, last week? Or was it earlier this week?
I think it was earlier this week.
He came here earlier this week, literally stopped by for no reason whatsoever, just like to go to Cabela's.
I know. Like, okay, now I know why. It makes sense because he was on his way to Phoenix. So I'm guessing like he had to pass by El Paso and they were probably like, oh, let's eat.
Yeah.
Because I was like, also like where a lot of people were taking pictures, I was like, that's not Cabela's. And I'm like, that's Twin Peaks.
Yeah.
And it was Twin Peaks. And I was like, oh.
And it's the one by Sunland Park now? The Twin Peaks?
I think so.
Which makes me so mad because that's so close. Literally so close to us both times. I'm like, oh, I could have met him. Ah.
It wasn't meant to be.
For those of you who don't know, I love Post Malone. I'd smash Post Malone though.
I think I would pass. No, I feel like I would smash him just for the clout.
Just for the clout?
And just to say like, yeah, I smashed Post Malone and what about it? Katy Perry.
Oh, pass. Oh my god, pass. Like, oh no.
Honey.
No, honey. No.
Yeah, I would pass too. No, thank you.
When she went up to that one guy and she was like,
Oh god.
wait, flew to Kansas or some shit like that, I was like, no, no. That's it. Dead.
Would you smash Cardi? Cardi B?
No. I wouldn't either.
Why?
I feel like she'd be too much. Like way too much for me. Justin Bieber.
Nah, pass.
Really?
How he looks right now? Trash.
I wonder, like, he had his prime. Like, he had, like, there was a certain one.
Oh yeah.
Like,
I know this season. Like, season of
it was a season.
I know. It's during his tour, like, what's it called?
Never Say Never?
No, it wasn't that one. I think it was one that got canceled.
It was like this one. That was like his like, like this is the type of man that I would have wanted. My phone is disgusting, by the way. Yesterday I went to a party and I completely smashed my screen.
It's always not like that. See?
No, yesterday I like peeled off the whole border.
Yeah, I know you told
Oh,
me.
I did?
No, but
Oh, look, I'm
like right now, like he's going through like I feel like an edgy phase. But he's like that look, he thinks it's like cool.
Oh.
And I'm like, no.
No, honey.
Hobo.
Don't come for us, believers. Please.
So
He's still a skinny legend. Ariana Grande. You'd smash Ariana Grande?
I think she's so pretty.
I think she's pretty, but I feel like she's so tiny. I feel like I'm still. Oh, you know what though? Have you heard the things that they say about her
That's a
feet?
10-inch.
And Giovanni.
I love Pete Davis.
Okay,
So much.
I always have. And
Oh, me too. Like when I heard, I was like, yes.
Yes.
I was
yes,
like, yes.
yes.
And like when and people were like coming for her, they're like, he's so ugly. And I'm like, he's the best thing ever. Like he's so funny. Yeah.
Oh my god.
And he's so cool.
And he's so cute. I don't know what people see when they say like he's so ugly. I'm like, literally, mind your business. He's the cutest thing ever. So Pete Davidson.
Oh yeah.
Smash Pete. Ooh, threesome?
Yeah.
Threesome. Alright. If that's the only way I can get to Pete, then yeah.
Would you? I think I asked you this also like last time. Would you smash Javon?
Yeah, I would. Javon's handsome.
He is.
He's a handsome young man. Drake.
Oh yeah.
You'd smash Drake?
I was thinking about that yesterday, and I was just like, I would smash Drake.
Why were you thinking about that?
Because I was listening to Next for What, and I was like, oh.
Ooh! Let's do YouTubers.
Okay. Cannon.
Pass.
Cannon. I would.
You'd smash? Of course you would. Oh, of course you would.
Oh.
Matt? Obviously.
Oh. Yeah.
No question, no doubt. Zayn.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyone. I would fuck everyone from the.
I'm gonna cut it off at just that.
I'm just gonna say that.
And you, Jason?
Wait, I was gonna say except Jason.
Jonah?
Okay, fine. I guess.
The other one? Big Nick. We talked about this last night.
Yeah. Okay.
Big Nick.
Not Big Nick. Not Jonah. Not Jason.
Okay, smash Morgan Adams.
Yes.
Morgan Adams. Hit me up.
Whatever. Yeah. Don't mind me. Also, it goes Shane. Yes. Rylan. No. Andrew. Yeah.
Garrett.
Yeah.
Wait, would you smash? Because last time we did this, because we did film one, but it was like 1 pixel. It was literally like 2 weeks ago. No, not 2 weeks. It was a while.
A long ass time. It was like a month ago.
Yeah, it was like a month ago, and we were talking about would you smash David Dobrik? And at the time, she was like, I feel bad. I have the clip on Instagram, but she was like, I feel bad.
David.
Oh wait, hold on.
I would smash. I would.
I would smash with the sole purpose of getting money out of this. Prostitution?
We stop. Nah, I would smash just to smash.
Just to smash? Just for the
to
clout?
smash. Nah, just to smash.
Just to smash?
Yeah. I would probably feel bad though.
Why?
Because I would just think about life.
Okay, but they're broken up in this scenario.
Okay.
Everyone's single.
Okay, then yeah.
Because of Liza, but she said yes, she would smash. And I was like, oh, well, in this scenario, they're broken up. And then literally like what, 2 weeks later, it was like, hey, by the way, we've been lying to you guys. We've been broken up this whole time. And
Shit.
And I was just like, oh, that's tea. I was like, that's something.
That's something. So yeah, I would smash David.
Yeah, actually would.
For sure. Any other last?
Any ones you can think of?
That's hurrah. The Dolan twins.
Yeah. Smash!
I always thought they were older than me.
But it's because like they're like
They're like a man.
They're like men.
They're men.
And you know what's so funny to me? Like I used to see them and I used to be like, why aren't there boys like that in my school? Like why aren't there boys like that in Coronado?
They would be like,
oh, I was like, I thought you were gonna say there was, and I was like, sister, no, sister, no man, no man, no boy.
Like I can just say, I'm imagining like someone like them at Coronado, like
it would be
a
frenzy.
Poor them.
A frenzy.
I know. They'd be getting hella hoes.
Ooh, cause The girls here are so thirsty because there's literally nothing to eat.
There's nothing. We're in the desert.
We're in the desert. Literally dying by the minute. So if there was two
of them that look like so hot, like not just one but two.
Like two.
Holy crap.
They would have had like one of them was like, okay, I'll split up half the school, you split up the other half.
Oh
And
my
we're like,
fucking God.
Tea, sister.
Oh.
James Charles is shook somewhere.
I know.
He's like, yes. He's like, Dolan's? You know JC, right?
JC's the one with the shaggy hair.
Yes.
Okay.
He recently cut his hair.
Okay. I'm just gonna always like refer to him to the shaggy.
Oh, I know, but I wanted to show it to you because he's like, he looks pretty decent now. Sister! Oh!
I'm just kidding. No, I think he's so hot. Yeah.
You think he's hot too?
Yeah. He's really attractive.
JC Kalen, my baby. Look at him. Yes, my sunshine.
Extremely attractive.
He's cute. We stand. And then Keem Lolly though.
Let me see him.
Keem Lolly. This one just like it tells you everything you need to know.
Oh yeah. I think I prefer the other one.
JC?
Yeah.
JC over Kian?
Let me see Kian more.
Are you a JC girl?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
She's a JC girl? She said
Me, I'm not even a
bye-bye.
fan.
I know.
I'm a JC girl.
She said,
Yeah.
ooh.
Like, he's so attractive, yeah, but like, I think JC's, I like him more.
He's so cute. I like how I'm showing the camera like, yes, baby!
I'm like,
I'm busting it up. I'm busting it up.
Wait, I'm gonna go on my Instagram.
I literally love him so much. He's so cute. Ooh, what about, do you know who Harrison Webb is?
No.
He's one of like the old OG YouTubers. Like he like back when like British YouTubers were like it. He was part of it. Oh, that's not like the best picture, but neither is this one.
No, it looks good.
You think so?
He's attractive.
He's attractive. He's British too. He sounds so much like Harry Styles.
Hello.
Yes, he's like, hello.
Hello.
I'm with my brother Anderson.
With my brother Anderson. We forgot about Alex.
I wouldn't smash.
King. You wouldn't?
Mm-mm.
I would. For the culture.
Babe, of course I'd smash Alex. The first one I'd smash.
Well, I was gonna tell you right now, I was like, you're lying. But saying so much.
Alright, so I think this is the end of this mukbang.
Yeah, this is it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.